Basta la musica di...
We got packages. YouTube family, what's good, man? We are back by popular demand, man. Look, your boy, let me stand up, man. Let me stand. Look, we are back in, of course, the sneaker room, of course, the studio, y'all. A lot of y'all on my last video when I did an unboxing and I was doing, you know, this type of vibe, a lot of y'all liked it. Y'all thumbs it up, man. So, hey, thumbs it up for your boy Jay, man. Let's run up with 2K likes. 2K likes. We got over 3 pairs of shoes that we gonna show y'all in this video, man. So, hey, 2K likes on this one. This time, it is being shot by the mastermind. Dum dum dum. My daughter. So my daughter is behind the camera on this one, man. So hey, y'all give her thumbs up down below. She's the one that shoots, like, when I go outside and do my on feet videos. Yes, that clip, those outside type of videos is the ones that she does, man. So hey, thumbs her up. Let her know that she is making the movie successful. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, with that being said, I know y'all already hit the like button. It looks a little different in here. I don't know if y'all can see it, man. Get a real quick, you know what I'm saying? Look, see. It's looking a little bit different. You know, last time I gave y'all this type of video, this whole area was like bombarded with shoes. You know, you couldn't even see over the couch to the TV. But now we cleared the way. You can see the TV. We now have brought some things over here. So, you know what I'm saying? So we done brought some things over here, man. While we over here, I don't even think I really told y'all and showed y'all the whole complete room. But in this area over here is where the magic goes down. You see your boy has the big, you know what I'm saying, computer area. So this is where I edit all my videos and do all that stuff, you know what I'm saying? So this is where the magic goes down. The movies, I do all my own edits, man. So everything is done here in house, man, by your boy Jay truly. But besides that, like I did say, we got some things to show y'all. Starting right here, man. You see what this is, y'all. No cap, man. Get y'all one today, man. I'm telling y'all. Sole premise bag. It can be, look at this. Look what I got in here. I got a whole PS5 in here, man. I got to take it out and hook it back up because I did take it out with me. Went over to a friend's house and we got busy on it, you know what I'm saying? But a whole PS5 in here, controllers, all that good stuff. But man, this is I don't even want to call it a sneaker bag, man. It's a all-around bag. You can do so much with that bag, man. You can get them right now on sale. They do have a big clearance sale going on at solepremise.com. Definitely hit the link down below in the description. If you click that link, the discount code will automatically be applied. But if you don't click the link, if you go to the website, just use promo code JayTheSneakerGuy, bro. Trust me. Look, I got 2 more bags over here, y'all. I got stuff in that bag. I got stuff in this bag, like no cap. Like I use them, bro. I use them. So these bags, the daily commuter, they can hold 2 pairs of shoes and some other stuff, man. But hey, don't say I ain't tell y'all, man. Shout out to everybody who has been getting bags, cause I see y'all that been getting them. So with that being said, man, we got a couple boxes, a couple packages to get into. So let's go ahead and get into it. Let me grab my box cutter real quick, man. Talk to me in the comment section. Y'all feeling the hat, man? Y'all feeling the Chicago Cubs velour, bro? What y'all know about that velour hat, bro? Talk to me. You see the side patch, bro? Come on, man. Thumbs up or thumbs down, man. Talk to me, man. Chicago Cubs, man. But let's get into it. So first things first, I did get a package, man. Shout out to, like, y'all gonna hate me, bro, cause I'm not good with names. I forgot who I ran into. They messaged me over on IG and was like, hey, bro, I'm trying to get a shoe. If you want these, I'll let you get them for a steal. And man, he let me get them for a steal, man. So I went and put another one and brought them to the collection. I told you it's very hard for me to turn down this shoe. Whenever I come across people with pairs of this shoe, 9 times out of 10, I'm buying them, bro. I'm buying them, and for the price that I paid for these, it's a no-brainer, bro. So I did get me another pair of ding lost and found Jordan 1s, man. So take a look at it. Size 9. You see it right there, man. Another personal. I actually got rid of a couple. I was only down to 2, y'all. I was only down to 2, but I got a 3rd one back. I'm looking for like maybe 2 more pairs. I want 5 because I had like a whole row at one point, but I sold them because, you know, just sold them. But hey, I'm ready to get, you know what I'm saying, get them back. I need more pairs, but right here, lost and found. Did it come with the receipt? Did my guy do me right? But yeah, no mold, everything clean. Where the receipt at, my boy? Right there at the bottom. Okay, we got the receipt. So yeah, we got the receipt, everything good, man. Lost and found Air Jordan 1s, man. Shout out to, bruh. Like I said, bruh, I don't remember your name because it's so many people who I interact with on my social media. But he gave me these for 300, man. So 300 shipped. He let me get these for, and I was like, man, I can't pass that up. These are selling, you know, as far as if you go to like an event or something, for like $400 easy, man. So I definitely had to cop for the 300. It wasn't no thing, you know. But shout out to the guy who hit me up on IG about these and let me get them off him because he wanted to get some UNC 4s is what he bought. He sold me his double up to get a pair of UNC 4s, man. So got another pair of Lost and Founds right here in the building. All right, y'all. So up next, man, like, so okay. No cap, y'all, no cap. This is exactly how my package came, y'all. This is exactly how it came, man. When I went to my P.O. box to pick it up, they grabbed the box, and the first thing they're like, this is how it came. This is how it came. And I was like, long as my shoes in there, we good, you know what I'm saying? But just to show y'all, it looked like somebody peekabooed in my box, you know what I'm saying? But hey, y'all can peekaboo all y'all want, long as nothing is touched, nothing is altered. But this one comes from K. Shout out to K, man. Shout out to K over on Instagram. He hit your boy up, and it's crazy because a couple days before he hit me up with these, I was actually gonna buy a pair, swear. On the Bible, I was gonna buy a pair of these off of StockX, and I think after fees it was like 170. 170. I would have had to wait a couple weeks, and you know the whole story of how that goes, you know. However, he hit me up. He said, "Hey, I got a pair off of the website that these released on, and I got another pair from a local area. So I don't need two. If you want one, I'll let you get one. 130 shipped." Bang, man. So we do got a box right here, size 9.5. I'm curious to know how these gonna fit, but this is man, just come on, bro. So I did get me a pair of the Noctas. This is actually my first time holding them. I seen them on people's feet at a sneaker event, and I seen them when I was taking a flight, y'all, and he had them on feet, and you know, I was like, they look cool, but having them in hand, they dope, man. I'm just curious to know how these is gonna fit. Very curious to know how these gonna fit, because it is a 9.5. I heard it, they were true to size. But here they go, the Nocta Glide joints, as you can see them, carbon fiber. And I actually thought that this was like a plastic, on here, but it's like a stitch, you know what I'm saying? It's that stitch material, I guess, you know what I'm saying? But it is carbon fiber down here, man. It does give hits from, of course, those Jason kids from back in the days, but these is clean, man. I'm definitely gonna pull these out at some point in time, hopefully. Real quick, let me throw them on. Let me see how the 9.5 fit while I got y'all here with me, you know what I'm saying? And I'm a true size 9, y'all, so I don't think I gotta loosen them up that much, but let's see how they fit. Oh, move this out of the way. Let's see how they feel. Oh, this is good, bro. This is good. I'm cool with a 9.5. So yeah, I'm cool with a 9.5. Dang, I really could have did a size 9 on these. No cap. I could have did a size 9, but I'm good with the 9.5. I think actually, with the way that this shoe feels, I think the 9.5 might work better, because it is like a hard. It feels like real stiff up here, man. So if I get that 9, I might have some issues with the toes up top or whatnot, man. But hey, Nocta Glides, man. I got them in the collection. Shout out to K. 130 shipped to the crib, man. Appreciate that, bro. Salute to you. Salute to you. Real quick too. Look at that on the inside, y'all. Before we go, can you see that silver insole? Can't see it? Look over here in the light. Can you see it right there in the light? Bam. Can you see it? Yeah, it got like a silver aluminum Nocta insole. Pretty dope, pretty dope. Woo. Bang, man. Last but not least, man, shout out to my broski Bird Kicks, man. I actually got a pair of these off of Whatnot. Crazy Whatnot. The seller sent me the wrong size. However, we got it squared away. I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just hold on to the size you sent me. I got rid of the size that they sent me. Hit up the homie Bird. He had pairs. quickly, fast, right to my door. You know what I'm saying? So do got a package right here. This shoe is set to release, I want to say, in November. Sometime in November. Fire shoe. I do have another shoe that I'm gonna come compare it to here in a second. So but yeah, shout out to the homie Bird for getting me this like in a day, next day. But ooh, we do have a Nike SB box, man. Nike SB box on this one, as you can see. Size tag on this one reads Nike SB Dunk Low Pro QS. Color blocking is racer blue metallic silver, man. So let me sit down for this one, man. So like I did tell y'all, it is a Nike SB on the box. When we pop open the box, lot number, it's a little lot number over here in the corner. Don't know if y'all can see it, but a little lot number over there in the corner. But of course, you got your wooden style type of shoe paper, and we do got the Nike SB Dunk Low. What month is it, y'all? We in October, man, but April and October. Bang! So we do got the Nike SB Dunk Low Aprils, man. This is a clean shoe, bro. This is a clean. Take a look at that, y'all. Take a look at that detailing, man. Nike SBs are known for like the most like creative details on shoes, man. If you ask me, I think no other shoe does it like SB. It does come with, of course, Nike SB little card, the little sticker right there. So it does come with that. But man, I don't think when it comes to like the creativity of shoes, bro, don't nobody got these Nike SBs. Like I said, once again, translucent outsole with the flower on the bottom. It has a Tiffany vibe to it, bro. It definitely has a Tiffany vibe to it. But as you can see already, we got some of that paint from the blue part going up to the laces, man. But these are clean. Take a look right here at the top on the tongues. You got the Nike SB, and then you got the April logo on the other side. Right here on the side, you do have April written right there. You got April and Nike on the back. So, you know what I'm saying? You got that touch. And then you do got your silver swooshes on here, man. Talk to me. What are y'all thoughts on the Nike SB Aprils? These are releasing in November, y'all. And I think that they solid, bro. They clean. So why did they give us 2 pairs of white laces, man? So we do got an extra set of white laces right there on the inside. It might not have the tips. That might be the different. One has lace tips. One has just the regular. I don't know. They both got, hold on, I don't know, I can't really see right now, but I don't know what the point of that was. But take a look at it. I do have another shoe right here, man. Come on, bro, talk to me. Look at this. Look at that, y'all. It is identical pretty much to the Jordan 1 Turbo Greens, man. Look at that same type of material. These are a little bit older. Of course, the turbo green ones are a little bit older, so it looks like the painting or the shade of this color darkened up a little bit, man. But for the most part, we got the same exact type of color slash material on these 2 shoes. So this is like a turbo green Nike SB Dunk, man. But hey, people go crazy for these. Look at the prices on these, man. But of course, it was slept on at first. But what y'all feel about these, man? If people going crazy for these, I definitely see people going crazy for these, because it's just like a low top or SB version of that shoe, man. But that is it, man. Look, man, I appreciate y'all for pulling up to the crib, you know what I'm saying, rocking out with your boy Jay. Let me know what pickup of mine was your favorite, you know what I'm saying. I got an early banger coming to y'all tomorrow. That's something dirty. Nah. Got an early banger coming to y'all tomorrow. I'm gonna try to bang out like maybe 1 on feet this week. Try to get to those Jordan 11 gratitudes, man, which I've been promised to get to y'all. Still haven't been able to do it, but I'm gonna try to get that out to y'all, man. But we got these Aprils. We got more lost and founds. And of course, shout out to K. Word to Drake. We got some Noctas, man. So that is the unboxings for today. Your boy Jay is about to skate up out of here, you know what I'm saying, in some SBs or something. But that is it. Appreciate y'all as always. Thumbs it up, man. Hey, like I said, man, shout out to the camera girl. But we out. If y'all want to see more movies like this inside the crib, man, like I said, all y'all gotta do is thumbs it up, and we'll be back, man. But y'all stay blessed. Till the next time, we out, man. Peace.